Bitcoin just broke above 75,000. Trump signed an executive order on Bitcoin. Morgan Stanley launched their Bitcoin ETF. And Tether Dominance is sitting on a make-or-break support zone right now. If it breaks, Bitcoin pulls back to 71,000. If it holds, we go higher. Here's exactly what to watch. Yesterday's forecast played out exactly as mapped. Inflation data came in better than expected. The dollar index, DXY, dropped, and that combination triggered exactly what we said it would. Capital rotation into risk assets, including Bitcoin. Bitcoin ripped from support all the way above 75,000, sweeping the week-high liquidity sitting above the market. That move was not random. That was the market collecting stops above resistance before deciding its next direction. Now Bitcoin has pulled back and is sitting at 73,900. And right now, we're waiting for the one signal that will tell us everything about what happens next. Here's the macro context most people are completely ignoring. 3 things happened this week that are bigger than any chart pattern. First, Trump signed a Bitcoin executive order. Searches for Trump Bitcoin exploded by 120% this week. When the President of the United States puts his name next to Bitcoin, that's not a chart event. That's a structural shift in how institutional capital views this asset. Second, Morgan Stanley launched their spot Bitcoin ETF, ticker MSBT, with 350 million in day one inflows. Bitcoin ETF inflow searches are up 1,300% this week. 1,300. That means people are watching institutional money move into Bitcoin in real time. Third, Bitcoin ETF total inflows are now accelerating. The biggest money in the world is not waiting for a better price. They're buying now. So, what does the chart say about all of this? Tether Dominance just hit its key support zone at 7.48%. This is the level the teacher circled with a question mark. If Tether Dominance breaks below this support, money leaves stablecoins, capital flows into Bitcoin, and the pullback to 71,000 becomes the healthy retest before continuation higher. If Tether Dominance bounces from this support, fear returns, and Bitcoin sees that pullback to 71,000 first. 3 scenarios. Scenario 1, the institutional bull case. Tether Dominance breaks below 7.48%. Bitcoin holds above 71,900, the key support zone where major positions were accumulated. Trump executive order, PUA's Morgan Stanley, ETF, plus capital rotation. Nordi next target 76,000 and beyond toward the week high above. Scenario 2, the healthy retest. Tether Dominance bounces from current support. Bitcoin pulls back to 71,000, the accumulation zone. This is not bearish. This is the market giving a second entry to everyone who missed the move from 69,000. The pullback to 71,000 is where smart money adds, not exits. Scenario 3, macro risk returns. Iran situation escalates overnight. DXY reverses. Tether Dominance breaks above resistance. Bitcoin loses 71,000 support and tests the 69,000 zone. In this scenario, patience is the strategy. Wait for Tether Dominance to give a clear signal before any action.
Get daily crypto insights by subscribing now.
2 things to watch today. 1. Tether Dominance at 7.48%, the question mark zone. Break below, bullish continuation. Bounce, expect the 71,000 retest first. 2. Bitcoin 4-hour close. Above 73,500, momentum continues. Below 71,900, retest scenario activating. The macro foundation has never been stronger. Trump, Morgan Stanley. ETF inflows at 1,300% growth. Institutional money is not waiting for a better price. The question is only whether you get the entry at 73,000 or at 71,000. Both are good entries given the macro backdrop. Hit the like if this gave you clarity. And if you have questions about the setup or how to position for either scenario, drop them in the comments. I read every single one. You run your own lab. I'm Dax. This is Dax Crypto Lab, where analysis becomes action.